welcome to Vanlife, Japan. We are currently in Michinoeki, somewhere near the Nikko National Park. And this is our van. The features are the following. So you have closets and more closets. There is a sink. This is the crank for the awning because we actually have an awning. This is the sink, and this actually works. Let me show you. So there's an auxiliary battery for this to be able to pump water. We haven't actually used it yet, but we have one. Closet. These are the wirings for the batteries. Unfortunately, no USB cable charger. And this is the charger for the lead acid battery. It's weird, I think, because it's an older version, so it doesn't have USB ports like what you commonly see or commonly have somewhere else. This is the gray water and the clean water. Have to clean it out from time to time when it's needed. You have the screens if you want to camp with the door open to avoid insects. We're not gonna use this because right now it's 9 degrees outside. And more storage, screen. This is to block the windows. There's another one in the front, so you're totally safe here. You have this, some sort of hanger, and also another one here. And when we rented this, we actually added beddings and pillows, which is extra charge or extra cost. And now, so here's the pillows. The beddings included the bed cover, blankets, 2 blankets, 2 pillows, and this is ours. So this is the bedding or the cushion. This also comes with a charger cable for when you're in a area, an RV camper area that will allow you to plug in a charger and charge your battery, because Michinoeki doesn't have one. When you're gonna do RV parks or RV rentals or camping areas, you will be charged 1,000 yen to stay, and you're supposed to reserve your slot because it's cold now, summer is over. It's not that hard anymore, that's what they told us, but we haven't tried it yet. If we're able to try one, we're gonna update you. So here's our luggage. So I have this backpack here on the back. I have this. We have this big 80 to 120 bag, and one of our mini luggages is already in front. So now we're gonna show you how we're gonna make our bed. So first things first is we're gonna move this bag to the front. This big bag, but there's food, so I'm gonna have to transfer the plastic bag and the food first. I'm gonna do a food review on this one. steak and salmon sushi. And this one, sushi roll. But for a later review. So now, I'm gonna move this ginormous bag to the front. Okay. So, I'm gonna put it on top of our small luggage. Or maybe this way. Why not, right? And then, I'm gonna move my backpack to the front. And then, I'm gonna move the plastic again. This is going to be a lot of Tetris skills because we have a lot of stuff. We bought water, and supplies, other supplies, but they're going to the front for now because now we're gonna fold this and turn this into a bed. But first, move the shoes. So this is where we put our shoes. We're gonna move things around, put the shoes in. This comes out again later. For now, we put it in. So put it here and close it for now, and then we start transforming this into a bed. Ready? So there's a pull tab here, pull tab, and down. Another pull tab here. Kita? Another pull tab here and down. And push and down. From there, so one of these comes on top and sits on top of this. And now my partner will transfer here. And then I'm gonna do the other side. Pull tab, same. Pull tab. Where's the pull tab? Pull tab, same. Down. And next cushion. Whoop. There goes dinner. Pull tab, yep. And because we already did this last night, we're gonna just unfold this. And my partner will transfer again to the other side. So, and then this goes here. So because of the storage area, there's a more less space because of the storage area, but it's also very helpful. Depends on how big you are or how tall you are. For us, it's very, very beneficial. So my partner is gonna move here to the back so that I can show you the pillow setup. So she's gonna start moving to the back, and then the pillow comes here, pillow there, and the blankets, and that's it. And if we want, we can add this, and this is how it looks like. This is how we sleep. So my partner is 5'6", and she can actually fit. I'm gonna show it to you. So if she lays down straight, she can actually fit with barely an inch or two of wiggle room. So again, this camper, by the way, is a K camper. I'm gonna show you the outside tomorrow. But if you are over 5'6", you're most likely gonna have to sleep in here diagonally versus straight. So make sure that you take that into account if you're planning to get a K camper van. This is really tiny. This is Asian size camper. So what else? So that's how we're gonna sleep tonight. And by the way, we're also gonna eat here this way. We have a table, so we can use that too. But we will just put it here on the bed. So we will continue this video tomorrow when there's more light, because we can't see anything outside right now. And we are at a Michino Eki. It's a rest station.